Alright, so guys, this is not just another cold email marketing tip video. Alright, this is going to be a full cold outreach system built 100% inside GoHighLevel. If you've never used it before, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform that lets you manage leads, send campaigns, and automate your follow-ups. And also, you get to track every step of your outreach just in one place. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the entire process. So by the end of this video, you'd have a plug and play outreach machine to bring in client and autopilot. So let's jump into it. And once you are here on GoHighLevel, you want to come over to the contact tab, and right from here, guys, you're going to be seeing where it says import contact. Okay, import contact. So you want to import your contact, click on this particular icon, and what happens is that it opens up this particular page. Okay, so click on this particular one that says contact and come over to the bottom and click on next. Okay, now all you need to do now is to drag and drop your contact data file. So for me, I'm going to click on this one to open up my my computer file manager, and I'm going to select this particular one, click on open, and then you can see what's happening. All my contact address are being uploaded already. So go ahead and click on next. Now the next thing you have to do now, guys, is to map your data. Okay, now the reason why we are mapping our data is to help us send good emails with personalization when trying to reach out to our audiences. Now for instance, now you can see where this one that says full address. Okay, you want to come right to this place, okay, and you want to select business address. Okay, business address or street address, it can be anything. Click on this one and you can see it is mapped already. Very easy to map your file right here on GoHighLevel. Now for the phone number, if you would like to make use of the phone number section, okay, come over to this place that says select. Okay, then choose this to be contact phone number. Let me see, is there contact phone number here? Let me go. Okay, phone number, you can see here phone number. Very good. You can see our data has been mapped. Now make sure you also map your email column. Okay, make sure it is mapped already. So for me, this is already mapped, so I'm not just going to leave this the way it is. So if there are other things you would like to map, okay, you can go ahead in mapping them out. So once you are done with that, I'm going to click on don't import data that are unmapped. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to come here and say I confirm all contact. Okay, and I'm going to click on start bulk import. So automatically what happens is that it begins to help me import all of my data. Come back to the bulk action and you're going to be seeing it that the import is processing. All right, so once this is done processing, you're going to be having all of the leads imported into GoHighLevel for you. All right, and here we go, guys. You can see that the status is complete, meaning that all our data has been imported to GoHighLevel successfully. Now let's go over to sending our cold email campaigns. Now if you want to send your email campaign, your first email campaign, you want to come over to the marketing section, and right from here you want to come over to the campaign section, and here click on new campaign. So once you are here, the first thing you want to do is to select how you want to write your email. So for instance, now you can see we have a design editor, we have the code editor, we have the plain text editor. So I like working with a plain text editor. Why? Because it's much more easier trying to work with it. So you can just decide to choose which one is going to be working so fine for you. So let's just wait for this to open up. So right from here, guys, this is where you're going to be imputing the message body you're trying to send to your particular audience. So I need you to follow me rightly. So once you're here, I'm just going to go ahead, clear up these things and write on something better. All right, so now you can see that I've been able to impute my own message body. Now if you want to add personalization to your email body, it's simple to do that. All you have to do is come over to this very place here, and you want to highlight this particular one. Okay, it depends on how you wrote your email message actually. So if you want to add personalization, click on where you want to add it and come over to this place that says custom values. Click on custom values. Now go over to contact. Okay, now choose contact for full name, contact first name, contact last name, and all like that. So for me, I'm going to work with contact first name. So when I'm sending my message, it's going to be having the contact first name right here. Now if I want to go ahead and putting up the business name as well, I can just select this particular one here as well. You can see this particular field, gym name. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to come back to custom values. Okay, now I'm going to look for company name. Did you see how all of these things work? So all of those things work basically just to help you add personalization to your message body. All right, guys, so once you are done with everything, you can see how very good looking our message body is. Now go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, it's going to save up for you. You can see campaign has already been saved. So once you are done writing all of these things, guys, you want to add your email list. It's very simple to do. So come over to this place that says save or schedule. Click on this one right here. Now we have many options that say send now, schedule, batch schedule, and RSS schedule. So I wouldn't know which one you want to go with, but for me, I like working with the send now schedule. So now your email address is what you're going to be putting in right here. All right, so one of the things I like recommending to people who try sending cold emails is that you should always try to make use of your own custom domain. I mean, your custom domain. Don't make use of @gmail.com. Now, here are examples of things I'm trying to see. So for here now, where you have your sender name, I want you to go ahead and put in your sender name. So maybe you want to put in your name. It can be your business name. It can be anything at all. For the subject line, go ahead and input your subject line. All right, so right from here, guys, we're going to be choosing our recipients for this particular email. So go ahead and click on all contact. Let's say you want to send this particular email to every of your contact. You want to come over to this page and click on all contact, and you can see what happens automatically. It selects all the contact that are available right on your GoHighLevel account. Now you can also do things like tracking all your clicks. Okay, if you like to track your clicks, maybe you have links in your URL, maybe in your email body, and you'd like to track that, you can turn this on, and some other things here that would be based on if you want it or if you don't want it. So all you have to do is to play around it. This is just the basic to teach you guys how to import your leads, verify them, and also import them right here into GoHighLevel to start sending cold emails. So once you're done with all of those things, guys, you can proceed with sending your email. So this email is going to be going over to the inbox folder of your recipient. Very easy and very simple to do. So this is actually all you have to do to start sending cold emails rightly using GoHighLevel. So if you'd like to try GoHighLevel today, I'm going to be leaving the link for you down below, which is going to give you a discount in accessing GoHighLevel. And you can also watch this video over and over again to understand the basics to sending cold emails using those email marketing, using this powerful marketing tool called GoHighLevel. If you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, you can use my link below right now so you can start building this exact system today rightly using GoHighLevel. So if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care and bye.